In this video, you will learn about the key elements of the user interface. The ADOIT Start page allows you to quickly access your most recently opened objects, as well as your favorite objects and models and the objects you are responsible for. You can choose between thumbnail and list view. Switch between different scenarios. Click on plus new to create a new model or object. Click on Find to access the Explorer or enter a specific search. Navigate between models and objects or click on Quick Access to get to the recently opened models or your favorites. Type the text you want to search for and extend your search by applying options and filters. Click on Analyze to run analyses, create reports, and view different dashboards. The time filter allows you to filter objects according to their validity period. Switch between the open tabs. Head to Help if you want to access the user manual, tutorials, webinars, and other resources. The user drop-down menu enables you to change your password, switch the language, set your user preferences, and log out. Use the home icon to head back to the ADOIT Start page. Have a look at the ADOIT online help for more information.